haven't touched Teddy in a long while. Maybe we can give it to Amy.
I'm still going to play with it.
Lily had a problem, but she didn't think it was a problem at all. Her room looked like a toy store had exploded. There were dolls with messy hair, toy cars parked under the bed, and blocks everywhere, on her desk, in her closet, even under her pillow. Lily was busy playing with her newest toy, a shiny robot named Zippy. Hello, Lily. Zippy beeped. You're the best toy ever, Lily giggled. Meanwhile, a dusty, one-eyed teddy bear watched from the shelf, waiting. One afternoon, Mum stood at the door. Lily, we need to sort your toys. The ones you don't use we'll give to Amy next door. She doesn't have many toys. Lily's eyes widened. Give her toys away? Her brain did a little flip.
But
I still play with all of them, she said quickly. Dad picked up a dusty toy dinosaur from under the bed. This one too? Yes, Lily said. The dinosaur was so dusty it almost sneezed. Achoo!
I
played with it yesterday, Lily lied. The sorting began. Mum made 3 piles: keep, maybe, and give away. Lily sat like a guard protecting treasure. Every time Mum picked up a toy, even a broken puzzle or an old doll, Lily shouted, I still play with that. Dad whispered to Mum, I think if we found a rock, she'd say she plays with it. I do play with rocks, Lily yelled. Finally, Mum picked up Mr. One-Eyed Teddy. Lily grabbed him tightly, her eyes filling with tears. Not him! You can't give him away! Mum sighed. Okay, Lily, we won't force you. Later, Lily saw her little brother Phil tossing the teddy in the air. Hey, that's mine! Lily shouted.
Never use it.
But you never use it, Phil blinked. It's been on that shelf forever. Lily opened her mouth to argue, but then she stopped. She looked around her room. It didn't feel fun anymore. It felt crowded, messy, and a little lonely. She looked at her toys. They weren't bad. They were just forgotten. The next morning, Lily was in the bedroom. Ready to sort again? Mom asked. This time, Lily didn't shout. She picked up the doll with messy hair. Do I really play with this? No. The giveaway pile began to grow. Finally, she picked up Mr. One-Eyed Teddy. She remembered the tea parties and the hugs. Then she imagined Amy next door, holding him and smiling. Lily took a deep breath. I think Amy might like this one. It's time. When they walked next door, Amy's eyes grew wide. She picked up the teddy and hugged him tight. He's perfect. Lily felt something warm in her chest. It wasn't sadness. It was something better. Over the next few days, Lily's room felt bigger, brighter, and cleaner. She could actually find her favorite toys now. That evening, Dad walked in with a surprise, a brand new art set with paints and brushes. Since you made some space, he smiled. Mum hugged her. Sometimes when you let go of what you don't need, you make room for something new. Lily realized that toys weren't meant to sit on shelves forever. They were meant to be loved, shared, and sometimes let go. And next door, Mr. One-Eyed Teddy was flying through the air again, exactly where he belonged.
Toy box quiz.
The Toy Box Quiz. Question 1. Why did Lily say she wanted to keep the dusty dinosaur, even though she hadn't played with it in a year? Answer: because she felt like she had to keep everything just because it was hers, even if she didn't use it. Question 2. How did Lily's room change after she gave some toys to Amy? Answer: it felt bigger, brighter, and cleaner. She could finally find the toys she actually wanted to play with. Question 3. What did Lily's mum say happens when we let go of things we don't need? Answer: we make room for something new, like Lily's brand new art set. Thank you for visiting our village today. And if you think sharing your toys is a great way to make a new friend, give this video a big thumbs up. We'll see you in the next adventure. Bye-bye.
More tea, Teddy?
Sweet dreams, my love.